Okay, so you might be saying we're cleaning vinyl records, and yes, it really is an important skill to be able to clean your records. Now, it's important for a DJ, it's important for definitely for anyone selling vinyl records, but also just for a collector who wants to have their records in the highest sound quality. Now, when you clean a record, you really are going to get a better sound quality out of it. Sometimes you can get rid of a skip that was there just by cleaning it, because sometimes a skip isn't due to a warp or a scratch, but actually just due to buildup of any kind of dirt or grime or anything. You'll often find that you can even jump a step on the Goldmine standard record grading system by giving it a thorough cleaning if it was in fact dirty. So if you watched my Goldmine standard record grading system, you'll know what that's about. And it's really important for anybody buying used records to have the possibility of cleaning them.